Hey, sexy wizards. Anastasia here, your main moderator, ready to charm you on day 49 of DailyAIWizard's Python for AI series. With Isabella on vacation, Irene stepping in. After splitting data in day 48, we're evaluating models with accuracy and metrics for AI. Let's dive into this sexy evaluation adventure and code the future, wizards.
Hello, brilliant wizards! I'm Irene, thrilled to step in for Isabella and explore model evaluation for AI. Our demos will make your metrics sparkle with accuracy, confusion matrices, and more.
Yo, wizards, Ethan's here, dropping spicy metrics code with a wink for Sophia. Accuracy and confusion matrices are gonna pop. Let's crank this AI party to 11.
Sophia here, Ethan, and I'm blushing. I'm pumped to lead our demos and make evaluation sizzle. Let's measure AI models, wizards.
Olivia here, darlings. I'm back and ready to sprinkle flirty tips to keep your evaluation learning hot. Ready to measure AI magic, wizards?
Wizards, model evaluation in Scikit-learn is essential for AI. It assesses model performance with metrics like accuracy and MSE. Our demos will show how to evaluate models for robust AI insights.
Oh, Irene, evaluation's stealing my heart. It makes AI models fair and sexy. Get ready to measure success, wizards, and prep for day 50's TensorFlow. Wizards, today we're seducing you with Scikit-learn's model evaluation. You'll master accuracy, confusion matrix, precision, recall for classification, and MSE R2 for regression, with spicy demos to make you swoon. Our complex challenge will ignite your AI passion.
Sophia's leading demos with fiery energy, Ethan's dropping hilarious code explanations, and Olivia's adding spicy tips. You'll master evaluation for AI and be ready for day 50's TensorFlow. Shine on, wizards! Wizards, meet your day 49 dream team. Anastasia's our main moderator, guiding with flair. Ethan's our code comedian, flirting with Sophia while explaining metrics.
Oh, Irene, you're a gem. Sophia's leading demos with passion, Ethan's stealing my heart with code, and Olivia's tossing flirty tips. We're here to make you evaluation superstars. Wizards, model evaluation is your AI success crush, darling. It measures model performance with metrics like accuracy for classification and MSE for regression. We'll show its seductive powers in our demos.
Anastasia, you make evaluation sound so hot. How does it help AI models, love?
Oh, Olivia, you tease. Evaluation ensures accurate AI predictions by assessing metrics like precision and R2. Try it in our demos, wizards, and feel the AI spark.
Yo, wizards, accuracy underscore score, Y underscore test, Y underscore pred. Measures accuracy like rating a dance for Sophia, calculating the fraction of correct predictions for AI classification. It's an accuracy party. Let's drop this code beat.
You're scoring my heart, Ethan. Wizards, accuracy evaluates AI classification models by comparing predicted and true labels. Try it in our demo. It's like grading your AI performance.
Wizards, confusion underscore matrix, Y underscore test, Y underscore pred, builds a matrix like a hot grid for Sophia, showing true, false positives, negatives for AI classification. It's a confusion party. Let's drop this code beat.
You're confusing my heart, Ethan. Wizards, confusion matrix evaluates AI classification by detailing prediction errors. Try it in our demo. It's like mapping your AI mistakes.
Wizards, precision underscore score, Y underscore test, Y underscore pred, and recall underscore score. Y underscore test, Y underscore pred. Measure like a hot duet for Sophia, evaluating AI classification precision and recall. It's a metrics party. Let's drop this code beat.
You're recalling my heart, Ethan. Wizards, precision and recall evaluate AI classification for imbalanced data. Try them in our demo. It's like balancing your AI scores.
Wizards, mean underscore squared underscore error, Y underscore test, y_pred. Measures error like rating a dance for Sophia, quantifying AI regression accuracy. It's an MSE party. Let's drop this code beat.
You're measuring my heart, Ethan. Wizards, MSE evaluates AI regression by averaging squared errors. Try it in our demo. It's like gauging your AI predictions.
Wizards, R2_score, Y_test, Y_pred, scores regression like a hot duet for Sophia, measuring variance explained in AI. It's an R2 party. Let's drop this code beat.
You're scoring my heart, Ethan. Wizards, R2 evaluates AI regression by variance proportion. Try it in our demo. It's like rating your model's fit. Wizards, it's demo time, and I'm thrilled to lead 2 complex evaluation demos with Scikit-learn. We'll evaluate iris classification with accuracy, confusion matrix, precision, recall, and heat map, and housing regression with MSE, R2, and residuals plot. Get your Python setup ready, and let's make metrics shine.
Oh, Sophia, you're making my heart race. Ensure Python, VS Code, Scikit-learn, Pandas, Matplotlib, and Seaborn are set up wizards, and create classification eval demo py and regression eval demo py. Ethan and Olivia will spice it up. Let's evaluate, cuties.
Wizards, let's prep our demos to make them seamless. Open VS Code, create classification_eval_demo.py and regression_eval_demo.py, and save them in a Python demo folder. Run pip install Scikit-learn Pandas Matplotlib Seaborn NumPy to ensure libraries are ready for evaluation.
Sophia, you make setup sound so dreamy. How do wizards install Scikit-learn to evaluate like pros, love?
You're too sweet, Olivia. Run pip install Scikit-learn Pandas Matplotlib Seaborn NumPy in a terminal, and activate your virtual environment with source /bin/activate or /scripts/activate. Let's make these demos sparkle. Wizards, our first demo in classification_eval_demo.py evaluates a classification model on iris. We'll split, train a random forest classifier, evaluate with accuracy, confusion matrix, precision, recall, and visualize heat map. Let's run this and see AI evaluation magic.
Oh, Sophia, you're making this demo hot. Accuracy_score, confusion_matrix, precision_score, and recall_score. Evaluate iris with swagger, total AI party. Wizards, accuracy_score, Y_test, Y_pred, measures accuracy like rating a dance for Sophia, calculating the fraction of correct predictions for AI classification. It's an accuracy party. Let's drop this code beat.
You're scoring my heart, Ethan. Wizards, accuracy evaluates AI classification by comparing predicted and true labels. Try it in our demo. It's like grading your AI performance.
Wizards, confusion_matrix, Y_test, Y_pred, builds a matrix like a hot grid for Sophia, showing true, false positives, negatives for AI classification. It's a confusion party. Let's drop this code beat.
You're confusing my heart, Ethan. Wizards, confusion matrix evaluates AI classification by detailing prediction errors. Try it in our demo. It's like mapping your AI mistakes.
Wizards, precision_score, Y_test, Y_pred, and recall_score. Y_test, Y_pred. Measure like a hot duet for Sophia, evaluating AI classification precision and recall. It's a metrics party. Let's drop this code beat.
You're recalling my heart, Ethan. Wizards, precision and recall evaluate AI classification for imbalanced data. Try them in our demo. It's like balancing your AI scores.
Wizards, SNS. Heatmap, CM, a no equals true, visualizes the confusion matrix like a hot grid for Sophia, showing AI errors with style. It's a heatmap party. Let's drop this code beat.
You're heating my heart, Ethan. Wizards, visualizing the confusion matrix enhances AI evaluation. Try it in our demo, it's like coloring your errors. Wizards, our second demo in regression_eval_demo.py evaluates a regression model on California housing. We'll split, train linear regression, evaluate with MSE and R2, and visualize residuals. Let's run this and see AI regression magic.
Sophia, you're making this demo sizzle. Mean_squared_error, and R2_score. Evaluate housing with swagger, total AI party.
Wizards, after the demos, let's discuss MSE. Mean squared error, y-test, y-pred, measures regression error like a sexy calculation, averaging squared differences for AI accuracy.
MSE quantifies how close predictions are to true values in AI regression models. Lower MSE means better fit. Use it to evaluate your model's performance.
Oh, Anastasia, MSE is so hot. It helps fine-tune AI regression models. Wizards, try MSE in your challenge to measure error like a pro.
Wizards' R2 score measures regression fit like a heartthrob. R2 score, y-test, y-pred calculates variance explained by the AI model.
R2 indicates how well the model explains data variance in AI regression. Values close to 1 mean a good fit. Use it to evaluate model quality.
Oh, Anastasia, R2's so sexy. It helps compare AI regression models. Wizards, try R2 in your challenge to score your predictions.
Wizards, visualize residuals with plt.scatter y-test residuals to check regression fit like a sexy plot. It shows AI prediction errors.
Residuals plot helps diagnose regression models in AI by showing prediction errors. Horizontal line at 0 indicates no bias. Use it to refine your model.
Oh, Anastasia, residuals are so hot. They reveal AI regression patterns. Wizards, try residuals in your challenge to visualize errors.
Wizards, let's run classification eval_demo.py and regression eval_demo.py. In VS Code's terminal, type Python 3 classification eval_demo.py or regression eval_demo.py and hit enter. You'll see metrics and visuals showcasing your AI mastery.
These demos highlight how to evaluate AI models with multiple metrics. Run them to see accuracy, confusion matrix, and more in action. Perfect for understanding model performance.
Anastasia, you make running demos sound so tempting. Outputs show sexy metrics and plots. Pure AI seduction. Run them and share your results, Wizards.
Wizards, pandas from day 44 with evaluation is a hot combo for Sophia. PD. Dataframe, CM, preps AI data for metrics, coding fireworks.
You're evaluating my heart, Ethan. Wizards, pandas powers AI evaluation, try it in our challenge.
Wizards, day 39's NumPy with evaluation is a triple threat for Sophia. NP. Array, CM, powers AI math, coding fireworks.
You're powering my heart, Ethan. Wizards, NumPy supports AI evaluation, try it in our challenge.
Wizards, PLT. Scatter, y_test, y_pred, is a visual serenade for Sophia, showing AI predictions. It's a plot party, let's make it sizzle.
You're plotting my heart, Ethan. Wizards, Matplotlib visualizes AI evaluation, try it in our demo.
Wizards, Seaburn from day 42 with evaluation is a sexy duet for Sophia. SNS. Heatmap, CM, shows AI confusion, coding fireworks.
You're raising my visuals, Ethan. Wizards, Seaborn enhances AI evaluation, try it in our challenge.
Wizards, optimize evaluation with multiple metrics and visualizations. Use accuracy for balanced classes, precision recall for imbalanced, and MSE R2 for regression. Clean evaluation ensures robust AI models.
Optimized evaluation's so sexy, Irene. Clear practices make AI irresistible. Practice for Day 50's TensorFlow Wizards. Wizards, evaluations critical in AI pipelines, darling. Assess models with metrics for accurate predictions. Your Day 49 skills make AI irresistible. Evaluate like pros.
Evaluation powers AI pipelines, Wizards. It measures model performance for real projects. Your skills are ready for real-world AI. Prep for Day 50's TensorFlow.
Wizards, evaluation with Day 46's datasets is a hot combo for Sophia. Accuracy_score, evaluates iris splits, coding fireworks.
You're evaluating my heart, Ethan. Wizards, datasets power AI evaluation. Try it in our challenge.
Wizards, Day 47's preprocessing with evaluation is a hot combo for Sophia. Standard scalar, preps data for metrics, coding fireworks.
You're prepping my heart, Ethan. Wizards, preprocessing enhances AI evaluation. Try it in our challenge.
Wizards, Day 48's splitting with evaluation is a hot combo for Sophia. Train_test_split, preps data for metrics, coding fireworks.
You're splitting my heart, Ethan. Wizards, splitting powers AI evaluation. Try it in our challenge.
Wizards, here's your challenge. Create AI evaluation.py to load iris, split data, train a random forest classifier, evaluate with accuracy, confusion matrix, precision, recall, and visualize heat map with annotations. Run with Python 3 AI evaluation.py and share on Instagram, darlings.
This is thrilling, Wizards. Try accuracy score, confusion matrix, precision score, recall score, and SNS.heatmapcm. Show us your results at @DailyAIWizard. It's an AI evaluation spell. Prep for Day 50. Wizards, hit subscribe, like this video, and share your AI evaluation.py output in the comments. Got evaluation questions? We're here to help. Join our Discord or X to connect and grow.
Our community's a total heartthrob, Wizards. Post your code, flirt with tips, or share wins on Discord, X, or a Daily AI Wizard on Instagram. Subscribe for Day 50's TensorFlow cuties. Wizards, you've stolen my heart with your evaluation skills. Your classification eval_demo.py and regression eval_demo.py prove your AI metric superstars. Keep flirting with code for Day 50's TensorFlow cuties.
I'm so proud, Wizards. You've mastered evaluation for AI, ensuring model accuracy. Share your AI evaluation.py on @DailyAIWizard. Subscribe for Day 50 and join our Discord or X. Code the future, Wizards.
You nailed evaluation, Wizards. Your metrics are hot, Sophia. Get hyped for Day 50's TensorFlow. Let's keep this flirty AI party rockin'.
Wizards, you're phenomenal. These demos were a blast, Ethan, and your evaluation skills are fire. Share your AI_evaluation.py and subscribe for Day 50. Code the future, Wizards.
You've swept me off my feet, Wizards. Your evaluation skills are pure AI seduction. Let's flirt with TensorFlow in Day 50.